Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to process mobile money payments from customers on Keepsales. Now Keepsales allows you to receive mobile money payments from your customers. Okay, so to be able to do that, let's get right to it. Click on new transaction. New transaction is where the selling takes place. Okay, so let's assume the customer wants to buy this product. Okay, so we process this transaction for the customer. Now when you come down here, okay, you select the payment method, okay, that the customer wants to use, and now over here you see receive payment. Okay, you click on mobile money. Okay, now before this comes up, I'll have to kindly tell us to note that you have to enable payment in order to be able to receive payments from customers. There's a whole video we have on how to enable payments from your customers, so do check that video out. Okay, so now we enter the number, okay, that we want, that the customer gives us. Okay, now you click on confirm. Okay, so now at this point, okay, a message will be sent to the customer's phone to authorize the process. So they have to input their PIN number. Now I cannot show this process because this is a very confidential one. Okay, so once the customer approves that, okay, so I just sent one to myself, okay, in order to illustrate how this works. Okay, so once the customer has entered their PIN number, okay, the system now would allow payments. Okay, so as we could see here, we saw that payment was successful. The payment has been successfully received, and it tells you that congratulations, you have successfully received the payment for this transaction. Okay, so at this point, the transaction has been successfully recorded. Okay, and then if you want to go ahead to print a receipt for the customer, you do that as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. We have more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.